Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I'm Ammar Panfarosh, I'm an Alim. I have been Alimiyat from Madarasa Baitul Uloom. Presently, I'm pursuing personality development class in Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School. Today, we are all team having a debate in a very more interesting and more amazing topic, that is city life is better or village life is better. I'm in the favor of city life is better. My first point is that for higher education or good education, one has to go to the city, and different types of college in the city. There are universities and separate colleges too. Okay, suppose medical college, MBBS college, law college, engineer college, etc. Similarly, there are some colleges where there are special college for women and some special colleges for men. There are also colleges which provide education, along with education, job for those who are in need. Okay, and there are some universities where there are short courses that you can get good education in less time. While in the villages, the colleges is not far from the school, and they give tuition to the children, but it is also not properly managed. There is no proper attention.
Assalamu alaikum.
Look here, this picture. That is my proof. Higher education. Okay, that is proof. That is my proof. Okay, that is my proof. That is my college facility. And then your college, village college, not concept in small school. Okay, not facility in the village.
You are speaking about education system, not speak about city life. Here debate is only for city life and village life.
That is facility in the village, in the city. Okay, this facility in not village.
Studying in school is not only education, but agriculture is also part of education. And when we send our children to the city, we make them enter the hostel so that the child is not spoiled by the city environment. Hostels, we make them enter to the hostel so that the child is not spoiled by the city environment. We teach practical children what is taught our learn about agriculture in science. We also train our children in good manners along with education. By the way, amount of education given in the village is enough for us, but if anyone want higher education, they went to the city on the country. Uh, Instead of studying, your children get influenced by the outside environment and develop bad habits. And village children think about the development of agriculture by learning higher education.
Village students also have bad things, not in only city. I have a reporter.
Yeah, that is recently report the report of Hindustan Time. Okay, Tan Taran, 18-year-old boy dead due to drug overdose. Okay, in Valmiki colony of Fatehbad village, falling under the Kadur Sahib subdivision.
Look commonly. Don't look inside one or two cases in there. Look commonly what happened.
Yes, in the villages also have bad things and students have do bad things. Cities also, but village.
um, let's explore the advantages of village life. The village life is beautiful place. It's a life where you have an active social life and do not have do not have much stress. Villagers grow up playing together as kids, learning from each other, giving advice and being friends. They all are very friendly with each other. There is nothing to worry about when you grow up in a village. You have your family, your best friend, and you can do anything. India is a country which is 90% village and 10% city. Village life is loved, and village people are hardworking, and we grew everything like rice, wheat, and corn, and cultivated in village. The flour that you used to make bread is made from rice and wheat flour. So India as well as abroad will be affected if grain is not sent to the city. What will the people of the city eat? Anything they eat is made and grow in the village. The sugar and jaggery that's used in all sweets is made from sugarcane, and all these things are made in the village and then sent to the city where grow sugar cane. We villager grow this, and it's also grown in villages. Apart from this, many types of pulses such as peanuts and moong dal, urad dal, tur dal, and many types of dal we eat. They are grown by villagers. It is also grown in villages. And what the mention about vegetables? So many kinds of vegetables are grown in like cabbage, cauliflower, onion, spring, coriander, mint, and many kinds of leaves. Besides onion, ginger, garlic, lemons, cucumber, etc. This is the need of every day. Onion is essential for us. We cannot cook any dish without onion, and it's also grown in villages. The clothes you wear is also made of cotton. The British came to the India in the 17th century and saw that the soil of India was fertile and cotton could be grown here because they could not get the cotton in England. They used to send the cotton to England and make clothes there, and then bring it to India and sell it. Until now, the cloth is made from the cotton. Who cultivates cotton? We villagers do it, and it's also grown in India.
Those things, who those things was generated in village, but you first all tools of making these things you have to purchase in city like tractor and uh, beans, seeds, and khad- fertilizer. Yes, you have to purchase in city.
You can't say that. We do our work with bull, or we do our work with
Fertilizer.
fertilizer. You say we made in our home. We can make it in our home with cows shits and
80% farmer use fertilizer. Uh, why in the city? Okay, take another. My point is there are big and small hospitals in the city, and the city has separate hospital for different treatment, such as a separate eye hospital, separate ear hospital, separate scanning center hospital, separate hospital for children, separate hospital for delivery. There are separate doctors for all of them, like Ayurvedic doctors, allopathic doctors, immediate doctors, etc. Even for animals, there are separate hospitals and separate doctors, and all these hospitals also have an ambulance for emergencies. And hospitals are open 24 hours in cities.
Yeah, look here. That is my proof. Okay, facilities and ambulance facility and for emergencies. There is facility in the villages, in the cities. Sorry, in the cities. Okay, this facility. Look here, and ambulance facility this in city.
everyone has their own method of the treatment. We villages also we treat with our own way. We have solution of most of illness. We use Ayurvedic treatment in all types of illness. If you speak about minor disease, then Alhamdulillah we villagers are healthy and hard worker. So illness also think before come to us. If you talk about major, then we have treatment of all illness. in our treatment, no any type of side effect. We use all nature things in our treatment, and it is very low price. If you are concerned about your medicine, then see yourself, your medicine are of full of side effect and very costly. And it's today's era, medicals is not a treatment, and hospitals not a treatment institution, but has become a base of earning only.
A man earn money by investing his life and health, then he varies about saving his life, his health by investing money. In nowadays era, the common of cities, they investing his life by earning money, and then he have, and then he consider to his life and health.
My second point is there are different types of bank in the city, like Canara Bank, State Bank, etc. Through the bank, we get the facility that we can save our money in it. If a person wants to deposit money for his daughter's marriage, he can deposit it in the bank because of his keep because if he keeps in the money, it will be lost or stolen. There is fear of being spent. Similarly, if someone wants to save money to build a house or to start a business or to buy a property, then he can do it in the bank. And there are ATMs in the city from which we can withdraw our money whenever we want, while there are no banks in village.
You know the name of Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank? This his bank is also in village. In village also provide the banks. Not look in whole our banks, but it look nowadays need. And I have need. I I whole I our need is complete in our our village, not go to city.
My turn.
Okay. My second point is that the city also has many job opportunities. Okay, for both skilled and unskilled. Similarly, there are some old people and some old people who get a watchman job or a security guard job in a company or a dog in a factory or a big building or a big hotel in in the cities. So that they can live a purposeless life and support them. In the same way, if someone wants to start his own high level business in the city, he can do it and open a big shop. And we have different vehicles, and if someone wants to do business or open a big shop, okay, in the villages it is very difficult for him, it is not possible.
Villages often have a local businesses that rely on community support. By living in a village, resident can contribute to the local economy and help sustain small businesses. Even if you can open your own goat farm and hen farm or open any grocery store by staying inside the village. Nowadays, a permanent job is not given to the companies due to this. Many people in the cities are unemployed. Do you agree?
In village, fresh food. People grow their food to have fresh food every day. They can get milk, eggs, fruits, and vegetables from their farms and eat these things daily. It is also very natural, and no chemical are added to the food. Village people drink milk from their cows or buffaloes, eat eggs from their hens, etc. Villagers do not buy these things from shops. They get them fresh and eat them every day. In village, you can have direct access to fresh and organic food. You may even have the chance to grow your own fruits and vegetables, fosters and healthier lifestyle. Do you agree or not?
Now tell me, what is grown in your city? Is it possible to grow all these things in your city? Is farming is possible in city? They buy it from us. And tell me where it is made. Do you agree or not? Is there a clear air in your city? Is there a fresh food in your city available? They are they
Okay, you talking about field and this farming. Okay, my question is that these are vegetables. Where do you sell? Where do you sell? Selling the city. Okay, and once the rain comes in force, in full force, the whole farm will become useless. Okay, very useless.
that's a nature thing. You can't say that. And
Okay,
about the selling it, we also eat it.
and
If you can't buy with us, we
only
can grow.
only
We can't grow.
only one. Uh, okay,
In village, peaceful and cleaner.
my point is that Aadhaar card is very important. Okay, for every human being, from the newborn to the elderly. They also have Aadhaar and have to travel to the city to make it. And even if you want to make some changes to it, you have to go to the city. Okay. Similarly, passport is also a very important thing which one can go to the other countries. You have to go to the city to make it. Not possible this village. If you want to make property papers, documents, and your field documents, okay, etc., you have to go to the city for its work and also for its processing. Similarly, even if you want to make a birth certificate and death certificate, etc., you have to go to the city and not make it in the village.
Government provide us that facilities for
Yeah,
Aadhaar card
this
and
government support is in village
and you say about
more.
passport. We don't want to go any other city or other.
Sometimes,
No, we love
sometimes
our village and we stay there.
this facility, Aadhaar card and passport, this facility is in the village.
Yeah, government.
Okay.
Government provide gram one.
Government support is in the city, not in the village. Okay.
No, no, no.
More,
Villages also support.
more facility in the city.
You
More facility in the city.
you not understand my point. In our Karnataka government provide gram one. Gram one mean they want to buy Aadhaar card chain and Aadhaar card make. You can easily make in village, not go to city. And you tell me the other countries you go and you have airport. I have only for twice and once in whole our life. Not need to daily.
No, this
Another
facility are not.
another point,
Okay.
slower pace of life. Villages often have a slower pace of life, allowing residents to enjoy a more relaxed and laid back lifestyle. Even doctors also says that if anyone have a restlessness or mental illness, then he have to rest. So village is best place for us. Doctors also advise that. Are you agree or not? Stronger bond of with animal. Villages are often home to various domestic and farm animals, allowing residents to develop a closer bond with animal and experience the joys of pet ownership. Sense of history and tradition. Many villages have a rich history and are steeped in tradition. Living in a village also resident to immerse themselves in the local culture and heritage. In different village, different famous traditional clothes and foods, and out of towners come to the village and enjoy with them food, clothes, and tradition. You can see this traditional food of Karnataka, traditional cloth of Karnataka, traditional culture of Rajasthan.
That is enjoyment tourist place.
Yeah,
That is
where you came for enjoy. You
yeah.
come for enjoy in village.
No, Rajasthan is
You
a
are
big
city
city.
student. No, you come for look here
Yeah, look here.
for enjoyment.
Enjoyment.
For enjoyment.
That is city. Okay. Yeah, look here. That is museum. That is enjoyment places, and that is
You come for peace.
Hawaii Mahal.
You come for
Rajasthan.
peace here.
Yeah.
You want if you want peace, you come here in villages. Mo-
Yeah, look here. That is
In our village, peaceful and clean air environment. There is fresh air and in the village because there are trees and crops around. Everyone can breathe fresh and pure air because the pollution is significantly less. You can enjoy their fresh air, open space and the beauty of nature. Villages usually have cleaner air quality and healthier environment due to the absence of heavy industries and pollution commonly found in the city. People live in a healthy environment to have a good life without having any diseases. The atmosphere everywhere is healthy and safe, which promotes good health. Villages offer to calm and quiet atmosphere away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Villages are usually less polluted, which fewer vehicle and industries. This clean environment can have a positive impact on your health and you will being. You are agree or not?
More space and privacy. Villages typically offer a more spacious home and large plot of land, providing residents with more privacy and room to spread out. A stronger sense of belonging. In villages, residents often have a deep sense of belonging and pride in their community, fostering a strong sense of identity. Opportunities for volunteering. Villages often have a various community organization and initiatives that rely on volunteer. Living in a village provides opportunities to get involved and make a positive impact on the community. Lower stress levels. The slower pace of the life and peaceful surroundings in villages can contribute to lower stress level and improve mental well-being for residents.
okay.
My point is there is 24, 24 hours electricity facility in the city. There is always electricity in the city. In the and even if the electricity goes out, UPS is also arranged. Where various in the villages, electricity is available only at the certain times. And during that time, if people are busy with other work, without one has to spend days with the pen.
We don't need that. Nature is enough for us.
If anyone, if any students want to study in night time, how can they study?
Yeah, look.
We study at daytime. Night is for
What
sleep.
facility in the
Night is for sleep.
what facility?
Day is for reading.
Yeah.
What can we do in whole day? Read in whole day. Night for sleep.
No.
Sleep in night.
But in the
You can't say that. If 1 or 2% read in night.
they are not. Okay, in the village they are not. Yeah. I'm saying that
Take the next point now.
many people many people in the villages are the cause of poverty, okay, and are hanged due to not getting proper food, hanging themselves. Just look here in field, hanging. That is my proof.
It's a beneficial for health.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
You can say it's a beneficial for health.
No. He said absolutely wrong. No.
The roads in the city are good, which is called highway roads. while the roads in the villages are often damaged due to the poor roads in the villages. Instead of reaching in half an hour, one has to reach in 1 hour. In the some way, in the same way, one if there is an emergency and the road is damaged, have may die before reach the hospital.
Quaint charm and beauty. Villages are often known for their picturesque landscape, charming architecture, and unique character, creating a visually appealing and aesthetically pleasing living environment. Even a famous cameramen also come to the village for best shooting. A great opportunity for artists too. See, cameraman comes in the village and takes photo. Artists come to the village in forest
Yeah, that is also
and draw
in the
photos.
city, but
No,
possible.
the famous pictures is
Okay,
in
I agree. But this facility in the village, this also village, also in the city.
there is a one type of therapy called sound therapy. The therapists record the sound of twigs and sound of swaying fields, chirping of sparrows, and the sound of the river floating, and many more types of voice they record it and play in front of the patient, and patient recover fast and his mind starts working well. Tell me, is this possible in cities? Are those therapists record or are those therapists record the voice in cities? They if they record it in the city, then they record only noises and car horn, truck engines voices. That is possible in only in city. So look, is this possible in city? No.
Simple life. Villagers have a simple and easy life. They don't have a fight for money because they don't need it. Everything is peaceful and there are hardly any problems. This is fantastic things because villages are where people live their lives in the best way they can. They live a simple life and hate luxury homes, cars, etc. They enjoy their life and spend it in the best way.
Access to nature. Living in a village allows residents to have easy access to nature with plenty of green space, park and forest nearby. Villages surrounded by greenery, farms con- uh, and landscape. This provides opportunities for outdoor activities such as fishing, boating, camping, hiking, cycling, or simply enjoying peaceful walk in nature. Even if you have road for cycling but don't have nature, you people from the city come to the village for this all, because you also know that all this thing is not possible in city. Do you agree or not? Look here, for fishing come to the village for
Not
for
possible in the village. This picture is in the city, not
river,
village.
the is,
Not
is
possible.
look, camping is not possible in city.
My point is that there are houses or offices in the city. They have also AC, and houses also have AC, cooler, fridge, washing machines, gas cylinder, etc. While all these things are not available in villages, there are big houses in the city. There are big buildings. There are many multi-story buildings. Okay, some houses have swimming pools. This facility in the city. There are also some houses for rent in the city. This not in the village. Okay. And if one does not own a house, there is a house in the city for him to live until he builds his own house. As long as we want to live, we can stay until, while village do not have proper house. That is my proof. Swimming pool house.
Swimming pool chemical is best for health.
No.
Yeah. And second one,
Yeah, look here.
give me. We have our own house. We don't need rental house.
Okay, no, that
If you have AC, then we have nature. cold wine.
nature water.
We don't need AC. We have nature,
Okay, no. Also, this nature is also in the city.
and AC is scientifically harmful for health.
This just I am saying. Okay, just you say.
Yeah, you
Just
can
you say.
say. You can say.
I am saying that this culture,
Facility.
nature is also in the city uh, as well as facility
Then
in
why,
the AC and fridge. Look here, this AC and CCTV camera.
if you have nature, then you don't need the AC. You don't need washing machine. You have to wash clothes with your hand. That is beneficial for you. Washing machine is not for beneficial,
Why? Why?
because it's
Investing money by the
No, no, that is wrong. That is wrong.
yeah.
answer. No.
If I say it's beneficial for you, then washing with hand is more beneficial for us.
Second point is
wide area. Villages are enormous, so people can go for walk or run as much as they want. They can grow gardens and farms wherever they want. There is a lot of space which is excellent for children. They have many things to do that are suitable for their health and education. A village has a wide area. The people living there can have time with each other and can people together, and they enjoy their life and spend time with each other in a very creative way. And we have joint family system in village. There is a joint family system where everyone in the family lives as one, as shares everything, so everyone has a lot of things to do, and they are involved each other in many ways. There are almost no conflicts since they all work together on everything they want to do. Everyone has a good relationship, so there is a no reason to fight since they all know how close they are to each other. Villages often have close kin communities and where people know each other well. There is a very creative way since belonging to support among residents. Plants and trees in the village are healthy and clean. They can grow their food without pesticides, which is very good for the environment because they do not have to use any harmful chemical on their crops. And clean water. They also have a lot of clean water nearby, so they can drink water whenever they want without using any machine and electricity. So everyone can take it whenever they want. They all know how to care of nature. They don't have a clean well in city. We villagers take clean water without using filters.
If you say you have clean water, that is added mineral water. We have clean water, natural water.
Yes, that is facility in the village. Water facility. Look here.
No, this is for field.
No.
We didn't drink that.
No.
We drink that with well.
God,
We
it
drink.
is report. It is report. Uh, one gone connection report. That is report.
That is one report.
Okay.
If you see
Not
your
a
city,
separate report.
Fatehpur is a
One-
city. You
No.
say that Fatehpur is a city. They all have water. No. This is not Fatehpur. The Fatehpur is a city. I am saying that Fatehpur is a city, and their water is not clean.
no Fatehpur.
More villages were
you-
hospital.
you-
Fatehpur district.
You
Fatehpur
see,
district of-
you see commonly. Don't see one or two cases.
Not one or two cases. This is
Three cases,
several
yeah.
Cases.
Three
no,
cases.
not three cases. This proof in three. Okay.
Go to the city to buy anything. If there is a function or wedding at home, one has to go to the city to prepare for it. If one is getting married, one has to go to the city to buy wedding clothes or save clothes or bring food for the wedding. And similarly, if one wants to buy school bags for children or school clothes and shoes for children, you have to go to the city. Similarly, there is an Eid And even if you want to buy something at the time of Eid, you have to go to the city. Similarly, the most important thing that every house has today, phone. You have to go to the city to buy it. A few houses in the city, in the villages, have a TV. One has go to the city to buy it and repair it because all these facilities are in the city.
No, we sew bags. It's our turn. We sew bags for us if we need. When overall, you must use spices like cardamom, salt, cinnamon, black pepper in the delicious food you make. If there is no spice, the food will be tasteless. And the spice is also brought by the villages. And there is hard work behind it all. These are done by the villages, and we villagers grow this. And it's also grown in villages. When all these things are made in the villages, then village is better than the city. The city depends entirely on the village.
No worries. Villages do not need to worry about anything because they have everything they need. They grow their food, so they don't have to worry about food and money. Life is easy going and straightforward in village, so they don't have to think much. There are no worries about because everything is fine and peaceful. And we villages lower cost of living. Generally the cost of living in village is lower compared to the city. Housing, grocery, and other daily expense are usually more affordable, allowing you to save money when you want to. When you want to any home, you pay lakhs of rupees in village. In cities the cost house of very high. In our city the cost of house is very low price, and if you want to eat any fruit then you pay hundreds of rupees. We grow it ourselves.
Less stress. Life in villages tend to be less hectic and stressful compared to cities. You can you can escape the fast paced lifestyle and enjoy a more relaxed and peace life.
Usually cities have post office. There are also transport network system. There are also in different ways like courier, fast courier, post, speed post, etc. And it can be transported by train and also by plane. While nothing like this happens in the village, they have not come to the city. They have to come to the city for all of them.
Toilets are also arranged in the city. Okay. There is also a bathroom, and if someone is weak, someone is old or has foot pain or leg fracture, then there is a separate toilet for him, which is a separate for Western toilet. Okay, toilet rather there is a toilet arrangement in the bus stand as well. Why there is no restroom in the villages and there is no toilet? There people go to fields for toilet. Okay, look this. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, look this picture.
Yeah.
This is
Tell the
facility.
other.
1 second. The last 2 minutes. You have the last 2 minutes.
You say that fi- uh, going to field, it is good for fields also. And with
Our groups and
another point you say, what is it?
post office.
Post office. We have.
We don't have post office. If we don't have post office, we are not.
But this facility in the city, okay, not facility in the village.
Its facilities available in our city. Look our
Our city, not village, no. Okay.
our village. Our village also in